Hey, what's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? I'm Kodiak Randall here at Randall Farm, and I got a 50-pound bag of chicken feed. Finally, took a while for us to get this from Morrison's. I think they're only in Vermont, so if you want to cop some of this stuff, head up to Vermont. It's the only way you can get it, I think. Alright, set this boy down. Nice. So they are in Barnet, Vermont. You guys can take a screenshot of this. Just look up Morrison's Custom Feeds Incorporated. And then there you go. So we're actually going to let the baby chicks out. I'm going to show you Pumpkin. Pumpkin! Pumpkin! Come here, Pumpkin! Ah. This is Pumpkin. And anyone that wants to see Nutmeg, here's Nutmeg. Alright, we let these guys out. Alright, we gotta go get some scissors or a knife or something. I'm gonna try and get my nephew out here just to help me out a bit. See if he can help me out at the farm. Hey, yo, Jaden, speaking of the devil, do you want to help me out at the farm?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh, so now we just gotta get a knife just to cut it open. We might not actually have a knife, so gonna have to use this. Hey, Jaden! Jaden! Then come here! I'm gonna disconnect my AirPods so you guys can't hear shit that's coming out of my ear.
The babies.
So, give me a second.
They got them.
Yep. Alright, so y'all should be able to hear me now.
They like some food.
Ching!
Get back to the food. Get it. That's up.
We just gotta flip this open. Now we gotta do this all one-handed. 50-pound bag, one-handed, on a couple of fingers. Okay. Now we can slice this bag. Ah! Damn it. Well, I'm actually just gonna set you guys down. We also reuse the bags, so no one put in the comments that you're wasting the bags. Morrison's feed bag also buys grain from Morrison's feed bag buys grain from local farmers. So if you ever want to come up to Vermont and buy a farm or build one or whatever, you need to sell the grain, sell it to Morrison's. That's what I'm about to do. I just gotta come up with the money. You see, getting the money is the hard part. Alright, who wants something to eat? I bet. You want some food? Alright, let's go get some food. Alrighty, baby chickies! Y'all want something to eat? There y'all go. But y'all wanted some of that, don't you? There y'all go. This is a baby barred rock. There you go. Alright. So we gotta walk around the farm and show y'all a couple things. Alright? So let's go! Let's see how the hay is doing. Is it nice and dry? Ooh, we might be able to get a good harvest in just a bit. So, I'm actually going to show you guys the hay silo in a minute. The tarp I have on it right now is actually just a temporary one. Planning on getting a permanent one. Actually here, I have a temporary thing. I got a temporary tarp. There we go. There's the tarp. We have a temporary tarp here. Just on the silo for now. Because, you know, we don't got the money for some of that stuff. Yeah, I dug a pretty deep hole right here. People gotta, you know, watch out for that. Alright. Then we have, holy damn. Bunch of partridges all up through here. It'd be nice if one day I can just catch a partridge, keep him as pet. I see there was one. What was he doing right here? Is he just chilling? Do they have like nests? Do they nest at this time of year? If they nest at this time of year, props to them. So yeah, we're gonna go out to the we're out here. I want to build a barn right in here. It's gonna take a while, but I want to build one. Gonna take this a bit, you know. Getting stuff up here is kind of hard. Then I gotta cut all these poor little baby maples. I hate cutting the maples down, but you know, I kind of have to. This one doesn't really need to stay. It's only the big ones that really need to be saved. So yeah. A friend at school actually has a farm. Parents own a farm. And I've been invited to actually come and help. And I need all of you guys to put into the comments down below if I should actually go or should I just stay here and work on my farm And I really need to know because she's moving in 3 years. She knew my ex-girlfriend. She dated my ex-girlfriend. This old milk canister. Pretty neat. It's pretty nifty. So we're gonna save that. I'm just planning on saving anything that I find in here. I really want to save some of the stuff in here because it'd be critical usage for my farm. It may not have a bottom to it, but it used to. If I could just put a wooden bottom on it, I'm gonna be good. Put that dead center in the middle of the field. Yeah, we've got all of this land. And when my phone's all charged up, I'll actually do a video where I show you all of the land that I am farming. But I'm gonna be setting up a Gould pump. I get one pump, and my other family gets another pump. We had the pumps for years, ever since I got adopted into the family, and they've always been there. So I've been given one to have my own. So it's gonna pump water straight out of here, and then right into a pipe, straight over to either the cattle barn, chicken barn, anything that we're doing. We're probably gonna have a multi-usage barn. Yeah, Jaden, say hi.
Hi.
So this is Jaden, my nephew. He's gonna be my miniature helper on the farm, right?
What?
Get over here.
What?
Are you gonna be my miniature helper?
Yep.
Give me a hug. Squeeze hug. Alright, let's go. Let's show him the silo. We gotta go show him the silo. Show him how it works. The silo is where we're storing the hay. The silo is all I have for storage to store the hay. I plan on putting a wooden floor inside of it because not really much of a floor in here. It's basically all dirt on the bottom with stuff buried in it. So this is what the silo looks like. I know it looks pretty bad. You don't have to say anything. Got an Olympic-sized swimming pool right there. Yeah, so this is the entrance. That's how we enter. And then we just open her up. And here's the hay. It's all nice and dry. We had a couple rainstorms, but yeah, some stuff might leak. But uh-oh. Okay, so we got a little pole. That pole is the only thing that is keeping it up.
No.
Alright, then let's go show them the other field. The main field is what I just barely showed you. That's the main field. the cattle field where we're going to be letting them actually go into. We're going to have gates all up and down through here. But yeah. So from that last video that y'all saw when I was at my school, there's an old junk pile from an old farmer. He's got a whole bunch of barbed wire, right? Boom. Everything there is basically donated to Kingdom Trails. So, all that stuff is basically public. So, I'm just going to be taking as much of the barbed wire as possible. Possible as much as I can, at least. We do have the apple trees right there. That apple tree apparently is still producing apples. I never expected it to still produce. We're just gonna taste one when that actually looks ready. Not bad. This one was ready. That's pretty good. Big stone pile. That right there was a part of the old silo. I think it fell down or burned down. Either one. They just threw everything in the woods that I was just barely in. So this is not our woods. This is land that we're allowed to be on anytime, any day. Anytime. Like legit anytime, no matter what. They never use it. So, I guess if you take care of the land for like over 3 years, the land automatically get yours or something. So if we just take care of this thing for like 3 years, we can keep it. And I'm the only one to take care of this thing, so. It's gonna be the second year caring for this property that I've cared for it. So, there's an apple tree right up there. I can see one lonely little apple up there. On that apple tree. If it can just fall down for me, so I can grab it and eat it, yum, 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 I'll enjoy that. But it's not on top of me. I'm gonna try and fix the engine on my car so I can actually, turn it into a tractor. Just because I kind of need one and I'll have one, so yeah. If anyone wants to donate a tractor, please email me. My email is in my channel's description. It's somewhere, I don't remember where it is, but it's somewhere in there. I'm gonna also try and work for a farm as best as I can. So like for every time after school, immediately go and work. That's the plan at least. And then when I work, get some money to have me driving some tractors. I can easily get that tractor experience. And in the summer, combining. Oh, look at it, easy peasy. At least for me it will. Be pretty easy. So a apparoonie. We got flowers here and there because we had a funeral, so just have flowers laying around. We actually do have a sunflower, and if it's fallen over and it still has its sunflower on it, then I would enjoy it because I can get sunflower seeds from it. Okay, let's find it. Need to find the green beans, the wild grown green bean. So in here, there's a wild grown green bean, and yeah, I wanted to eat it, but guess I can't now. Yeah, so even a closer look at the pond that I've got. This is my pond. Your pond over there is also some of my pond, but I own just a quarter of it. So we have a whole full-on half of that pond, but I own just a bit of the quarter of it. Just to have for my farm stuff. It's just like a quarter of it, not that much, just a tiny little quarter of the land. That one. If I can do anything I want, legit, anything. Yeah, so when I build another tractor out of an actual other tractor, boom, I have a Sirius XM radio kit that I have. Wasn't really given you yet. We still have to ask my grandfather if I can actually have it. We already took it. My family's thing is all complicated, so don't ask. Don't really want my phone to die here, so I'm gonna plug it in a bit, but alright, so all throughout here is where all the maple sugaring is going on. And when I actually start to sell my maple syrup, when I can, probably won't because I suck at selling stuff. This maple tree, right here, this nice big one there, has given me so much yield. Tonight it got to like, it still even is wet. It got down to like 20 degrees. And then it warmed back up. So what I want to do is seeing what the temperature is tonight. Put a tap in. See if it doesn't rain. If it rains, then I won't. And just put a tap in. And then see when it warms up later. And just see if I get anything. Because maybe I can start an early tapping season. Then after that, when it turns December, we gotta completely stop. And then during January or February, sometimes March, then we can actually tap. We've got maple trees all up in here. I'm actually gonna clear out some of the baby ones. I'm actually gonna go and do that now. And just clear up all the ones that we don't need. So we can have all them big ones. Easy access. All the time. Easy. People are just giving away free sap lines all over Facebook near me. So, I'm just going to be taking those, reeling them in, always keeping them, flush them out with some water, then hook them up on the trees. There's also 120 acres that I'm allowed to tap on. Yeah. Then I'm going to be building a bridge up here. Hopefully an actual bridge that my new tractor actually go up into. I'm hopefully going to put on a custom lift kit or something. You know, or if I can actually make my Audi look like a sick ass, beautiful tractor out of an old, like, tractor that ain't got no engine, no nothing. Can't really work out so well. Take the top off of it and put my car on top of it. I know. Some people are gonna be like, well, why don't you just take the engine out of your Audi and then put it on there? Well, that's a very smart idea. I already thought of it. But just the thought of having my own tractor as my actual car is an amazing thought. But if I can somehow put all that stuff onto my car, all the lift kit and whatnot, I think it'll be much easier for me. Because it'll actually be an actual tractor. It's an old something, I'll tell you. We also gotta get through here and make a bonfire and burn up all these trees. Just clear it out. Because up back in here are some actual, some actually pretty good maples. So cut down as much as I can with my little sawzall and make some good spots. This is a hose for fresh water. Right here. Goes down, pours through, goes up, on, around, and boom, bada boom, bada boom. I am gonna cut the line there and have a bucket out here to feed fresh spring water, whatnot. Some of the pond's water is actually coming from that stream up there that has the hose in it. I have it positioned in just a way that, yeah, anyway. We have some trees here by the road too. All of our maple trees usually consist of being out here, which I will get to at some point. Again, in another video. By the way, sorry everything is so long. My phone doesn't really come with a pause button, so I can't just go boop, pause it. So that you guys can actually enjoy shorter videos. But next video is going to be a really good overview of everything. I'm going to walk up to my property's end line and then basically just walk till we have the end of the property line, walk through. I'm also going to have an exploration video just to explore what is on my property here on the Randall farm. And if you look at the logo, it says 1966. It's actually done in 1967. But I think we have it all mixed up. It was actually established in 1966. So I think I have everything correct. I know one of my uncles or cousins or whatever it is actually has the name Randall Farm. But I don't think he really has everything trademarketed. Plus, since I'm doing everything on my own, just a Randall Farm, and I'm actually distributing it, so it's big, growing my little company that's been in my family generations to grow up legit from the ground. Let me get some actual dirt. From the ground up. So actually from the ground. Herbie. Oh, you're peeing? Sorry, buddy. Didn't notice. And you took a big old shit in the middle of the browser. Stop pooping all over the road. Silly dog. Alright. that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace out and goodbye.